hard to really describe when you've been in the space for so long. But when you just you can just look at price action and kind of deduce things that you can't explain. To me, at first, it was here, and then it was a little bit of distribution drawdown. So I took a trade here that wasn't as big. I think I made 25,000 on my desk in this area. This dip here was the most obvious spot for me. So this is where I took that Bybit long, which you guys saw in the Telegram, and it was a pretty simple invalidation once I put the risk on. If I zoom out, you'll see it kind of had this support resistance area right here. So this was like a SFP almost in a way, the higher time frame SFP if you go to the daily or weekly. And then this was a really swift reaction that I wanted to see. And that's what gave me the confidence to stay in the trade. So I put on the risk, swift reaction over, I don't know, a day, and then good development. This was a solid fake out. I actually ended up taking half of the position off around here. We added a little bit here, and then I TP'd along the way. I posted screenshots in Telegram so you guys saw, every high I essentially took a little bit of profit off. I ended up closing out the entire position at about 149, which is cool because now we're at 145. Nonetheless, that was the bigger trade of the account, so we'll just stick with that one. Moving on to what I think is going to happen next. Bitcoin is facing a massive resistance that I essentially pointed out about a month ago. This was the trade setup that I put on a month ago for the longs, and this was the target. We've reached the target. So I've taken off most of the risk, and now I'm mostly scalping. What I've done is put on a short position, mostly to hedge my long exposure, and it's not even a one-to-one of my native portfolio.